Hi guys, this is Assistant Professor Munit Basan from MA Ranganwala Institute of Hotel Management Research, and today I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of microwave cooking. Yes, so microwave is used a lot in the last few decades, and it is a modern technology and which is used to cook the food. But there are some advantages and disadvantages with everything. So in this case, also in microwave also we have advantages and disadvantages. So the first advantage is cooking time is very short, but there is a disadvantage. You can only put glass, food grade plastic kind of containers, or porcelain, bone china kind of containers. In that you cannot put any kind of metal, so all the metals are restricted. If by chance you put the metals, then God save you, because there is an accident going to happen, it is going to burst. So be very careful while working with microwave. Second advantage is destruction of nutrients is less. Yes, because the cooking is not from outside in, inside out, so a lot of nutrients get preserved. But the only disadvantage is that controlling the heat becomes a problem, because the heat is generated through microwaves inside it, so the food is start cooking from inside, so you might not be aware how much is cooked, so it is very difficult to check, and you need to open the microwave and again to check. Once you have some experience, then only you are able to ascertain whether the food is cooked or not. Third advantage is no physical change of food. Yeah, this is an advantage, but many times for processes like frying, this becomes a disadvantage, because when you want food to take a different shape, to take a different color, that is not possible like you do in deep frying or shallow frying kind of products. So, and disadvantage is water evaporates and it dries out the product, so you need to be very careful when you are putting any kind of, you want to reheat the rice or you want to reheat the dal. You need to be careful, because it sucks out a lot of moisture. Water evaporation is very fast in microwave. Then another advantage is melting process is easy. If you want to thaw a product, if you want to melt something, it becomes very faster. So majorly microwave is very useful for liquid kinds of cooking, where even if the moisture loss happens, it does not hamper the quality of the product. But another disadvantage is closed container is dangerous because it could burst. So if you are putting any kind of food, you want to reheat and you are close the container, and by chance too much heat is generated or steam is generated, so it will become like a pressure cooker, the container, if it is closed, and it will burst. You need to be very careful. Sterilization effects exist, so yes, you can sterilize the food, basically kill microorganism. And there is no flame, so the treatment is easy. So there is no flame, so your hands getting burned or cloth getting burned or kind of accident which happens through burning will not happen. But another disadvantage is you cannot toast, you cannot bake the product just like that, because the product gets too much dried. So these were the advantages, disadvantages of microwave cooking. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day, and we'll meet again in our next session. Thank you guys.